Thank you for braving the storm and the traffic, for being here. I was so inspired by some of the words earlier as our host was going around. I heard, I'm in my early adult years. Bago yun, bago yun, hindi adult. I'm in my early senior years. So anyway, I prepared a few notes. Maybe you can indulge me. I wrote this yesterday in traffic on the way home from the airport. I dropped off my son for his studies abroad. So, again, thank you for being here, for braving the traffic. I'm going to start with a bit of a confession. For almost 50 years, Century Pacific Food has earned its place at your breakfast table, parang that's what's familiar, or inspiring health and fitness through our very famous tuna brand. Hindi ko na sasabihin kasi hindi naman ito tuna eh. Today we're making a play for vanity and beauty. So, wow, that's a bit of a stretch. Imagine that. The everyday food and milk company many of you grew up with is stepping into the world of beauty. It's a bit counterintuitive when you think about it. If you're raising an eyebrow, maybe at us milk people, I don't blame you, that's completely fair. But just to qualify, a lot of the team members, so some of us were introduced earlier, galing din kami sa beauty categories in our past lives. So Team Aquino, for example, is ex-Unilever, handling a lot of the beauty brands, hair and skincare. Carlos Morales, also our marketing director for the daily business, also came from Unilever, handling health and beauty brands. But we got them at Century, we got them because they used to also handle a lot of the brands. But anyway, that aside, they are also the marketing manager for this brand. Came from the Century Tuna Superbod team. So we have a little bit of credibility maybe to stand here and maybe try our attempt to talk a little bit about beauty and vanity. I wouldn't call it vanity, maybe I'll stick to beauty. Here's the part that will maybe disappoint you a bit. I'm not here to talk about collagen and the beauty brand or product that we're going to introduce in a bit. Someone better looking and more credible will be doing that. My job here my job here this afternoon is really to answer the question in most of your minds. You're probably quietly asking, what's the story arc here? Why is a company like ours, who's been talking about busog ang araw mo or sardinas and all of that, is throwing a beauty launch? And here we are. So let me backtrack a bit. Let me backtrack about 5 decades. We are Century Pacific Food. And if you open the pantry in almost any Filipino household or kitchen, whether here or abroad, because our brands are in 83 countries, you'd probably find us. You just might not have realized it, that it was all coming from, or mostly coming from one company. More than half of the canned food in this country comes from us. The brands and the products come from us. The tuna in your pantry, the corned beef that your tito really likes, the sardines that have quietly rescued thousands of, let's say, busy weeknights na madali ang luto, they're mostly from us. It started with our founder, and I always make it a point that in any event, we give a nod to our founder, Mr. Ricardo Espo, and the conviction that sounds almost too simple. Good nutrition should never be a luxury. Every Filipino family, whatever their budget, deserve food that was nourishing, genuinely good, and the non-negotiable, he would always tell us, affordable. That became our purpose, and we've never quite let go of it. To nourish and delight everyone, every day, everywhere, through affordable nutrition. So, build na yung ating story. So we brought our challenger mindset in a lot of what we do. Here's the thing about us. We have a bit of a habit We like to walk into categories where everyone already knows how things are done. But we humbly ask, why? Why though things are done this way? Take daily, for example. Here in the Philippines, just a few years back, maybe 7 or so odd years back, Philippines was the lowest per capita consumption country across Southeast Asia in drinking milk. Baba ang milk consumption in our country. And most people saw that and accepted it. We saw millions of Filipinos who simply were never given a good enough reason or a good enough price to drink more milk. So we came with our challenger mindset, and through everyday family milk that Birch Tree is today, launched Birch Tree Fortified and priced it right, priced it affordable, and lo and behold, per capita consumption today is about 35 to 40% higher than it was as early as 5-6 years ago. So